Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nur Aimuni binti Roslan and I am the first year student from School of Physics majoring in pure physics. So in this video, I am the scriptwriter.
Hi everyone, my name is Lim Chang Hong and I am year 1 student study in School Physics and I am editor for this video.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Aisyah binti Zaidi. I am a first year student of Pure Physics from School of Physics. A Fata Morgana is type of mirage. A Fata Morgana is a complex form of superior mirage visible in a narrow band right above the horizon. A mirage is an image caused by atmospheric refraction. Refraction refers to bending of, in this case, light waves as they move through medium of different density, typically layers of air with different temperature. It can be seen on land or at sea, in polar regions, or in deserts. It may involve almost any kind of distant object, including boats, islands, and the coastline. In particular, a Fata Morgana is a superior mirage. Like other superior image, Fata Morgana occurs because rays of light are bent when they pass through any layers of different temperature in a steep thermal inversion, where an atmospheric dot has formed. If the thermal inversion is strong enough, greater than 10 degrees Celsius in 100 meters, the curvature of the light rays within the inversion layer is stronger than the curvature of the Earth, called super refracting, thus trapping them. This is the dot. It will guide the rays along the surface of the Earth rather than shooting out into space. An observer needs to be within or below an atmospheric dot in order to be able to see a Fata Morgana. In calm weather, a layer of significantly warmer air may rest over colder dense air, forming an atmospheric dot that acts like a refracting lens, producing a series of both inverted and erect image. A Fata Morgana requires a dot to be present. Thermal inversion alone is not enough to produce this kind of mirage. While a thermal inversion often takes place without there being an atmospheric dot, an atmospheric dot cannot exist without the first or thermal inversion. To generate the Fata Morgana phenomenon, the thermal inversion has to be strong enough that the curvature of the light rays within the inversion layer is stronger than the curvature of the Earth. The Flying Dutchman, according to folklore, is a ghost ship that can never go home and is doomed to sail the oceans forever. The Flying Dutchman is usually spotted from afar, sometimes seen to be glowing with ghostly light. One of the possible explanations of the origin of the Flying Dutchman legend is a Fata Morgana mirage seen at a sea. A Fata Morgana superior mirage of a ship can take many different forms. Even when the wood in the mirage does not seem to be suspended in the air, it still looks ghostly and unusual, and what is even more important, it is ever-changing in its appearance. Sometimes a Fata Morgana causes a ship to appear to float inside the waves. At other times, an inverted ship appears to sail above a real companion. In fact, with a Fata Morgana, it can be hard to say which individual segment of the mirage is real and which is not real. When a real ship is out of sight because it is below the horizon line, a Fata Morgana can cause the image of it to be elevated, and then everything which is seen by the observer is a mirage. On the other hand, if the real ship is still above the horizon, the image of it can be duplicated many times and elaborately distorted by the Fata Morgana. The advantage of this Fata Morgana mirage is it is well documented that this type of mirage can make far-off ships look like they are floating well above the water, so it makes sense that sailors in the 1600s and beyond will see this mirage and unaware of this natural phenomenon assume it to be something supernatural. And the disadvantage of this phenomenon is A Fata Morgana is encountered only in distant objects, so it can also trick our eyes into seeing objects that do not really exist. That's all. Thank you.